Phase number two. Phase number two in keeping warm in the winter. You've seen the final phase, which is making the fire, getting the fire started. The first phase is cutting down the trees. The second phase, this one right here. We're just having a little drinking break.
Comunque questo quante pare fondamento ma ne sbagli una volta precisa inizia tre.
Let me look like this. I'll show you a little bit of how it works. Oh, fammi vedere come funziona sto coso. No, ma chi Matt? Ma tu Matt? Dai, metti un pezzo, dai. Metti. Dai, fammi vedere, dai.
Stanno magnesio.
So, get the piece of wood right there. Pam! Fatto un cilindro. Aha!
Capisci? Ticchia qui è una botta sopra.
And that's how it works. Back to the tractor. That's how we do it over here. That's how it's done. You know what I'm saying? One of these days, these trees are gonna fall down anyway. So might as well cut them one by one. And then throw them in the fire to keep warm in the winter. Allo prossimo!